AI agents that make money while you sleep. Real examples in 2025. This AI agent works while I sleep, never takes a break, and already replaced multiple human jobs. And I'm not talking about the future. I'm talking about right now in 2025. Let me show you how people are already making money with AI agents, even while they're sleeping. What is an AI agent? Simple, clear, visual. First, let's clear the confusion. An AI agent is not just ChatGPT. ChatGPT answers questions when you ask. An AI agent does something very different. It can think, decide, and take actions by itself, without you constantly telling it what to do. Keyline, slow, confident. Once deployed, it runs 24/7, just like a digital employee. And I'm not talking about the future. I'm talking about right now in 2025. Let me show you how people are already making money with AI agents, even while they're sleeping. Simple analogy, very important. Think of it like hiring a worker. You train them once, and then they keep working every day. Except this worker never sleeps, never gets tired, and never asks for a salary. Let's start with the most popular one, the Content AI agent. This is the agent behind thousands of blogs, YouTube videos, and social media posts you see every day. What it does, it can write blog posts, create YouTube scripts, generate Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter posts, schedule and publish content automatically, and even optimize performance based on engagement. YouTubers, bloggers, and businesses are already using this. Here's the key difference. You don't sit and write content every day. You design the system once, and the AI keeps publishing for you. Dollar Note Money Angle, expanded. That content earns money through ads, affiliate links, sponsorships, digital products. You sleep, content goes live, views grow, money compounds. AI agent sales and lead generation agent. Now this one is powerful. A sales and lead generation AI agent works like a full sales team. What it does, it can chat with website visitors, answer customer questions instantly, qualify leads, collect emails, book meetings, and follow up automatically. All of this happens without a human sitting behind the screen. Dollar Note strong moneyline. Pause after this. Some companies replaced entire sales teams with one AI agent. Story angle. Businesses don't pay for effort. They pay for results. And when an AI agent brings leads 24/7, businesses happily pay monthly. That's recurring income. AI agent trading, analytics agent, trust builder. The third type is an analytics and trading agent. This one doesn't guess or feel emotions. It watches data. What it does, it can monitor markets, analyze large amounts of data, detect patterns, trigger rule-based actions or alerts. Warning, trust disclaimer, keep calm tone. This is not financial advice. But AI already dominates analytics-driven decision-making in companies and institutions. Humans react late. AI reacts instantly. Tools powering these agents. Now here's the good news. You do not need to code everything from scratch. Most AI agents are built by connecting tools, not reinventing technology. These systems combine AI platforms, automation tools, cloud workflows. I've added the exact tools people are using in the description. Right finger this line is critical for affiliate clicks. How beginners can start. If you're a beginner, don't overcomplicate this. Most people fail because they try to build everything at once. Steps, slow, deliberate. Step 1. Pick one problem. Step 2. Automate one workflow. Step 3. Let AI handle repetition. Step 4. Improve over time. Powerline. The goal is not to work harder, it's to deploy smarter systems. Image please. The future, fear plus opportunity. Here's the reality. In the future, people won't compete with people. They'll compete with systems. Those who understand AI agents will control leverage. Those who ignore them will be replaced by them. The ones who deploy AI agents early will win. AI agents don't magically make money. They automate work that already makes money. And the sooner you build them, the bigger your advantage.